This is part 3 of Honk the Scream.
Scream needs his butterscotch inspiration. I can't get it open right now. I'll do it later. Alright, hey, how about you like this video? We need the views, buddy. We'll have a new video every Sunday. Come on, like this one, alright? Alright?
Don't feel bad to subscribe and
yeah. Or me, because it'll be on my channel and you. Here, show yourself to the people. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright. Scream! Part 3. Honk your horn for Scream! Honk your horn! Honk, honk, honk! Yay! Victory! Honk your horn for Scream! Yeah! Thank you!
Take care, guys.
Alright. What did he say?
You can take care, guys.
Honk your horn for Scream! Honk it! Honk, 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 bitch! Tiptoe through the tulips while you die! You like this? Freddy Krueger time. Keep rolling. Oh yeah. You like that? I want some of the shit. I can see better. Honk your horn! Honk your horn for Freddy!
Freddy with a knife instead of blades.
Yeah, my hand is kind of broke. Honk your horn for Freddy! Honk your horn! Oh shit, I think it was a cat. Honk your horn, come on! No, honk your horn! Honk it!